Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because I'm unboxing a new parcel with two perfume trashes. I want to talk to you about why these perfumes are pre-loved. Some people feel shy about buying used things, but for me it's the opposite. I am actually very proud of it. In the world of high-end perfumery, prices can be crazy. Choosing a pre-loved bottles is not just about saving money. It's about being smart and sustainable. It gives me a unique chance to try so many expensive scents that I normally wouldn't buy at full price. I love the feeling of holding these heavy luxury glass bottles in my hands, knowing I found a great deal. It's a feel like a successful hunt for a hidden gem. Of course, safety is everything. I only buy from a trusted sellers with a good reputation. It takes time to find the right person, but it's worth it. For me, a pre-loved perfume still carries all the magic and all the beauty. It's a way to enjoy luxury while staying on a budget. So let's open this box and see what's inside. The first fragrance I'm showing you is Crush by Akro. I got this almost as a bonus for just few coins and I'm so surprised. To my nose, this is a very dominant rose mixed with sweet praline and creamy almonds. It is incredibly sweet, feminine and rosy. It feels very high quality from the first spray. I can't say much about the longevity yet because I just opened it. But the sillage is definitely there. I can smell it around me. If you love gourmand floral scents, this is a beautiful choice. I'm really enjoying it so far. And now for the star of the show, Orchidée Rouge by Sora Dora. This brand is one of my absolute favorites in the world. I have wanted this bottle for a long time. I almost clicked buy on a new one for the full retail price, but I'm so glad I waited. I found this pre-loved bottle so much cheaper and it's perfect. It smells like a dream. Rich vanilla with a warm drop cinnamon and sweet caramel. It's a very calm and sophisticated scent. It's not a loud monster that screams, but it's a very powerful. The performance is amazing. It stays on my skin until the next morning and leaves a beautiful, elegant trail. I'm truly in love with this fragrance. It was the best decision to add it to my collection. Thank you for sharing this unboxing moment with me. If you believe that luxury should be accessible and smart, join our fragrance journey. Hit the subscribe button to explore more hidden gems together. See you in the next one. Bye bye.